screen, close.
Hello, hi, welcome to the channel. I just got home from stuff and it was like really hot and unexpected. I wasn't expecting it to be this hot. So I just got home and I really want to like get Unready quickly. Let's just do it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by putting my hair up. We actually went now to like a driving thing. It was my husband's birthday a couple of days ago and I am going to remove my contacts and I wanted to like gift him a driving race car thing. I have no idea what to call it. First thing I do, I already washed my hands obviously when I got home. So we're just gonna remove my contacts. It's the first thing I want to do every single time. It's been like a bit more tough to like wear them now. Like I've had them for like 6 or 7 years, something like that, and like I'm starting to feel like my eyes won't enjoy it as much as they used to. Like before I wouldn't even feel them, they wouldn't bother me. But now they do. So yeah, we waited for quite a while. It was a bit long. So to remove my makeup, these are my two go-to products for now. And I use washable cotton like removing ones. I wash them in the washing machine and it doesn't like come out very clean. So I'm gonna try this. I wash with my own hands, but like it's really annoying to wash them one by one all the time. It's like I don't really know. I need to figure something out. Or just wash them one by one. So the first thing I do is remove my eye makeup. So yeah, like I said, we waited for like, we did get there a bit early, but we still like waited for very long time. And it was like 2 times the circuit. And then the guy asked him if he wanted to do one more. So he was like, yeah, sure. But he wasn't free. I feel like you're supposed to just like warn people when you're offering an extra thing. That because it was like the end of the day, so like he just thought that he was like offering because whatever, I have time, it's the end of the day. It's perfectly fine to make people pay for services, but like you should at least tell them. Anyways, it was fun. I just got to watch. Not really into like, oh, I had this, I just removed it, like black thing on top of my hair the whole day. My eyes tend to like get really red around here. So I don't know what it is. It's like my eyeliner that like kind of fell over here or something. I don't know. It's really weird. So you know what? I'm gonna do something. I'm just gonna wash it straight away. Just because I'm recording, it's motivating me to do it. I don't usually do it. So I'm gonna put this back here. Just wash it quickly. I'm gonna try it with soap. And let's see if it comes out, because the other one's like much thinner, so it's easy to wash these. I've never actually washed with my hands. Oh, it's like dripping all over. So let's see, I'm just gonna rub it like against itself and see. Oh, that's working pretty good actually. Okay, I might just do this honestly instead of doing it in washing machine. Washing machine cannot physically, it's so much makeup in the sink. Like the washing machine doesn't like rub things, so like I guess it's clean, but like the color doesn't really like get washed, which isn't dramatic. I think it's so clean. It's pretty good. I'm gonna put it to dry on this side. I don't want to put it like yeah, and then I'm going to remove my top. I'm going to put it to the side because it's actually silk. And like I can't wash it with the rest of my clothes. It's the only silk thing I own, so like I take care of it. Yeah, I'm just going to head to the shower. Back. Just took my shower. I'm using the Lush product. It smells amazing. Let me show you. Almost tripped in there. It's the Happy Hippie. As literally my first time buying anything from Lush. I mean, I had stuff before, but like my sister got some stuff for me. Yeah, so I got this. It smells good and it feels good and I like it. So yeah, this is what I used. I almost died getting it from the shower. So then I'm just gonna use my little headband and move to the skincare section. This is what I've been using for like, I don't even know. I have water dripping from here. So I just go ahead and wash my face with it. Just like the tip that was dry. And I really focus on the eyes because this is where makeup. And then if I'm wearing lipstick, on the lips as well, and a little bit at the bottom here because I usually do bronze over here. And then I just rinse it with like cold-ish water. I have a special towel just for my face. Just pat dry it, and then I go ahead and do my very quick skincare stuff lying around here. I tend to like alternate between them. I'm just gonna use some salicylic acid. Just a few drops like this. And then I also go down my neck. Try to avoid the under eye area. I don't get too close. And whatever's left, I just kind of rub here. It's also my first order of like Korean. My towel's falling off. Korean skincare. This is what I've been using. I just apply a little bit under my eyes. Then I just kind of go ahead and rub it. And then for moisturizer, I'm still using this CeraVe. It's just a sticker, it's not the actual container. But it was too big, so I like put it here. And then I had a mini container, so I removed the tag and put it here. So it's just a CeraVe, the big one, the blue big one that everyone has. It's what I use most of the time. Like I said, this isn't like my skincare. It's just a quick, like after the shower, after like a long day outside. I'm gonna leave my hair like this for now. And then for my lips, I have this little jelly pot. It's absolutely adorable. I've had it for a while and I've never opened it, so like I saw that it's not even made anymore. Has a little thing to apply it with. You can see like my skin is like really red on camera, but I don't really see it in the mirror. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna put it back. It's so cute. It's a little... so cute. And then I'm basically done. I'm just gonna go get dressed and I'll be back to say bye. It's just you and me. Okay, I'm back. I'm wearing my cute PJs. Let me show you. It's just cute shorts. I just bought them actually. I wanted like a set. And this one I love because it's cotton and it's like so soft. It's really cute. So yeah, for my hair, I'm just gonna braid it. That's how I sleep with it usually, when it's like kind of wavy like this. When it's straight, I don't. Otherwise it's not gonna be straight anymore. So yeah, just braid my hair quickly. And I'm going to go do some stuff. Yeah, I'll just finish doing this. It's not that interesting, it's just a braid. So thank you very much for watching this video. I was a little bit rushed, it was a bit weird, but yeah, it was fun sharing my little routine with you, and I think I'll definitely record more like in-depth makeup, not makeup, skincare, products I use and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you later. I love my nails, by the way. Just got them done. I'm obsessed. It's like a mirror. They're so pretty. I can't stop looking at them. I never get my nails done. Like I've done it like 3 times in my life.